Burns!
I'm not here right now. Please leave a message after the tone.
So we're working on getting Allan's escape apart, get the AC done. We got to get the condenser out too. We've already discharged the system. I mean, it's not hard because it leaked like a sieve, so it basically had nothing in it anyway.
Looks like Bobby's dually.
That's just fuel now a little bit. No more oil leakies. We solved that. Yay. So now we got to change the fuel pump. But that's easy on our trucks.
Not on mine.
It's because you have the stupid California damper thing that I deleted on mine.
Yeah, I need to delete mine.
So we'll get you the whole, I'll get you the part numbers for that. We'll handle that.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to what we were doing instead of talking about dualies. Is we got our, there's a 10 millimeter up here at top. Then you got to pull it back like a pair of panties. Yep, and there's 7 and a 7 there. This one's already kind of funky, but so we got to undo those. And away we go. Right. So there's 10s, the 7s, and then there's 2 little tin nuts here. Grill out. Gotta pull out, Bernsey.
Want to.
Yeah.
I never like to.
Yeah.
But my pull-out game is strong. That's why I only have 2 kids.
That's the spirit. Alright, now we get to fight the freaking grill out.
Hold on.
There's that side. There you go. And then is there a tabby?
Well, that's what I was trying to figure out.
It's the
I don't know how it goes.
There you go. It's that tab right there. There it went. Hey, look. Ding fries are done.
Ding fries are done. Ding fries are done.
All right, now it's a little easier to get to the
I'll get accessible bolts and all that good stuff.
condenser. Yeah. Yeah. It still sucks though.
Ding fries are done.
You have the new condenser out of the box,
Yeah,
so we
it's
can
on
look
the
at it. Ooh, we'll get that and we'll do a little comparo. You down for a little comparo?
Always.
See. Okay, so fun and interesting fact. And Burns and I are just like, wow, that's kind of cool. So, the AC condenser is also the transcooler. These are the transmission lines. Note how this tube here doesn't go to anything. There's a block in here. So this side is refrigerant. This side is trans. That's pretty trippy.
Never seen that before.
That's kind of brilliant, actually. That's how you fit things where things don't fit.
Yep. They make things compact.
That's actually smart-ish. I'll give Ford props on that. All right, so we're gonna undo. I already moved these up and out of the way for you. Which these are do not break these, obviously. But a lot of people are like, you don't need those. It's like ductwork on the race car. The more the better it's going to be more efficient because air is lazy.
Damn you, lazy air.
Lazy air.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess here and there, and let's get it out. Turn the wrenches, turn the wrenches, turn the wrenches. Doing Mr. Burns.
Playing with hose.
That's normal. But we don't love them hose.
I mean, it depends how that Hawk 2 is.
Woo! Alright, so Burnsy's getting that out. Evaporator's up. I do need to get these 2 trans lines off. And then we'll have that completely pulled out.
Is that really?
Okay, so.
Queso.
Queso, you're not cheese. Shout out to Germ. That was one of his. That was one of Jeremy's things. We gotta get that there out as well. The Allans, because we have to make
Queso.
You're not cheese.
I'm not gonna make some.
You need to make some food.
Yep.
Anyway, alright, so. Those lines are off. Those lines are off. You name it, the lines are pretty much off, except from the compressor itself. Moving through, baby, moving through. I'm fighting these babies off, and this will be out and away, and we go.